All right, Piglet update. They look really extra black because they're all wet. Must have got cleaned off. Hello? Where's your wallow? You better go get your sunscreen on. Hi, guys. So that one there is Big Mama, I think. And then that one back there is Fancy because she walks very fancy. So let's go check on our other piglet. Well, it's not a piglet anymore. Let's call her. Let's see. Hey, Big Mama. Here she is. Thought she was going to have her piglets quite some time ago. Still have not had her piglets. When those suckers popping out, Ma? What's going on, huh? Well, that's fun. I'm blowing some bubbles. I'll take that. That's fun. All right, let's go check out these guys over here. Hi! Good morning. You want to say hi? Wag your tail. Where's your little babies? Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. Go and say hi. We've been able to sell a bunch of them, actually. So here's the remaining. The second one in. Now the first one out. Her name is Hazel. We're going to keep her. She's going to be my little buddy. Hi. Hi, guys. What's going on? So we got 4 of them there. We'll probably keep all of these. Hi. Okay. You guys just take your nap. I know. Mama checking in on me. What you doing? Here's the other one. Alright, I think that's all. Now, enjoying this heat and humidity. Nice checking on you. I spy Piggy. I know you're the same color as that delicious mud. Good day at the spa day. Gotta cool off in this weather, don't we? What do you think, Blondie? Yeah. Hi, honey. Hi, Mama. You gonna come to the spa too? Come on. Whew. Just like a dog. Piggy burps. Excuse you, Blondie. Got any more?